Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about uh, pioneers in machine learning. Pioneers, I mean the people who are on top of this field. So, the first one to talk about is Suskever. Suskever uh, is working as a computer scientist, uh, and and he is currently serving as research director of OpenAI. He has made major contributions in deep learning. Like he's the co-inventor of famous AlexNet, a CNN network for image processing, and he is also one of the inventors of sequential learning models, which is used in mainly machine translation, speech to text, and many other applications. Uh, he has obtained his BSc, MSc, and PhD in computer science from University of Toronto, Department of Computer Science, under the supervision of Jeffrey Hinton. So it is always good to follow awesome people, right? You come to know about what is recent in the field and what all to look at and what are the new problems which one can work on. So it is always better to follow their Twitter page. So this is his Twitter page. You can find link in the description box. And yeah, let's move on. Okay, so the next person is Andis Karpathy. He is a director of AI at Tesla. Previously, he was a research scientist at OpenAI, and he was a PhD student at Stanford. And he works in deep neural nets, images, and image processing, and other deep learning algorithms. This is his Twitter page. Twitter.com/Karpathy is the URL. I'll put all these links in the description box. So it is always better to follow him and his work. Like you'll get to know about the field and recent developments and other things. So he did his internship at DeepMind Research. He worked with deep reinforcement learning groups and in summer of 2015, and he is a research scientist who work in the area of generative models, reinforcement learning, deep learning. He is considered one of the pioneers in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Uh, so his recent work was in ICML 2017 about a world of bits and open domain platform for web-based agents. We'll discuss lots of it papers in this channel as well. So the next I'm going to talk about is Trask. He is a PhD student at Oxford University. He recently wrote a book called Teaching Deep Learning. So the goal is to make deep learning easiest is as easy as possible. So you can look at his Twitter web page, follow him, and get to know about recent developments in the area of research of his research actually. So he's also training a tag called 100 days of ML code. So you can start here, machinelearningmastery.com/start here. So he's the other guy who is also a pioneer, or you can say expert in this area. So one of most important aspect of deep learning is the is the robotics actually application its application in robotics. So Peter mainly works in robotics. He's a robotist. Uh, he's a professor at UC Berkeley. Previously, he was also at Stanford. He is known for his work in reinforcement learning. He's the founder of Covariant.ai. He formerly worked with Elon Musk uh, at OpenAI. He joined OpenAI in 2016. So he's also a very important person to look for, and his research is also very much appreciated in deep learning and machine learning. Next, I'm going to talk about Chris Olah. He is also an ML researcher based in California. Uh, the recent work about visualizing neural networks is one of the best thing Chris has ever done, and this is the Twitter page, and yeah, so you can find lots of important and crazy stuff in deep learning on this page. So this is also one of the important person to follow. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll keep on posting about more about important papers, important people in ML, deep learning, neural networks, natural language processing, and stuff, lots of stuff. So do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you, and hope to see you again very soon.